Welcome to Coin Explorer. Have you ever held a coin and felt an instant connection to history? Today we are exploring one of the most remarkable American coins in recent times, the 1984 United States Kennedy half dollar. This stunning piece combines beautiful design, rich history, and exceptional craftsmanship that continues to captivate collectors worldwide. From the moment you see its detailed portrait to the powerful symbols on the reverse, this coin tells a story of American pride and legacy. In this video, we will examine every fascinating aspect of this 1984 half dollar, from its minting details to its record-breaking journey in the numismatic world. Whether you are new to coin collecting or a seasoned enthusiast, you will discover why this particular coin stands out among millions. Stay with me as we dive deep into its features, significance, and the incredible auction result that shocked the collecting community. This is a story you won't want to miss from start to finish. The obverse of the 1984 Kennedy half dollar features a dignified portrait of President John F. Kennedy facing left. His hair, facial expression, and strong profile are captured with remarkable detail by sculptor Gilroy Roberts. Above the portrait, the word Liberty arcs gracefully across the top. Below Kennedy's neck, the famous motto, "In God We Trust," is clearly visible. At the bottom, the date 1984 appears with the D mint mark right above the last digit, indicating it was struck at the Denver Mint. The fields around the portrait show attractive original surfaces with subtle natural toning that developed over time. This toning adds depth and character, making each coin unique. The overall design feels balanced and presidential, honoring one of America's most remembered leaders. Even after more than 4 decades, the details remain sharp and impressive on high-quality examples like this one. Collectors love studying these fine elements under proper lighting to appreciate the artistry involved. Turning the coin over reveals the majestic reverse design created by Frank Gasparro. A powerful American eagle dominates the center with wings spread wide, symbolizing strength and freedom. The eagle holds 13 arrows in one talon and an olive branch in the other, representing America's commitment to both defense and peace. A shield with 13 stripes covers its chest, while the banner above carries the Latin phrase "E pluribus unum," out of many, one. 50 stars surround the design, honoring all the states of the Union. United States of America curves along the upper rim, and half dollar is proudly displayed at the bottom. Every element is intricately detailed, creating a beautiful heraldic composition that feels both classic and timeless. This reverse design has become iconic in American coinage and perfectly complements the presidential portrait on the front. The Kennedy half dollar series began in 1964 as a lasting tribute following the tragic assassination of President Kennedy. By 1984, the design had become a familiar and beloved part of United States currency. Although millions of these coins were minted, truly exceptional examples in outstanding condition are much harder to find. This particular 1984 D half dollar stands out because of its superior preservation, attractive eye appeal, and strong strike. It weighs 11.34 grams, measures 30.61 millimeters in diameter, and features a reeded edge. Its copper-nickel clad composition gives it durability while maintaining that classic silvery appearance collectors admire. The coin avoided heavy circulation, which helped preserve its sharp details and beautiful surfaces. These qualities make it a prize for anyone interested in modern American coinage. What makes a coin achieve extraordinary value? In the world of numismatics, condition, rarity, provenance, and market demand all play crucial roles. This 1984 Kennedy half dollar demonstrated exactly why top-tier examples can create such excitement. When this coin appeared at auction, it created tremendous buzz in the collecting community. After competitive bidding from serious collectors and institutions, it achieved a final sale price of $63,516,218. This remarkable result highlighted the growing appreciation for high-quality Kennedy half dollars from the 1980s. The news spread quickly through coin forums, auction reports, and social media, bringing renewed attention to the entire series. Many collectors began carefully reviewing their own collections with fresh excitement after learning about this impressive achievement. The auction success of this coin was not accidental. It combined several important factors that serious buyers look for. First, the visual appeal and attractive natural toning set it apart from ordinary examples. Second, its excellent technical grade and sharp strike showed superior quality. Third, strong provenance and proper authentication by reputable experts added confidence for bidders. Auction houses take great care when presenting such significant pieces, ensuring every detail is verified. This record-breaking sale reminded everyone that even coins from relatively modern years can hold surprising value when they meet the highest standards. It also encouraged more people to examine their pocket change, bank rolls, and inherited collections more carefully than ever before. Understanding the symbolism behind the coin makes it even more meaningful. The portrait of President Kennedy serves as a constant reminder of leadership, vision, and national resilience during important times in American history. Liberty represents the fundamental freedoms that define the United States. The eagle on the reverse embodies power, courage, and the spirit of freedom. The arrows and olive branch together send a balanced message of strength and peace. These timeless symbols continue to resonate with collectors and history enthusiasts today. Coins like this 1984 half-dollar act as miniature works of art that preserve important cultural values and historical memories for future generations. Coin collecting offers much more than just financial potential. It is a rewarding hobby that connects people with history, art, and culture. Many enthusiasts started their journey by finding a Kennedy half-dollar in circulation years ago. Others inherited coins from family members and became curious about their background. The Kennedy series is particularly popular because it remains accessible for beginners while offering exciting opportunities for advanced collectors. You can build date sets, mint mark sets, or focus on exceptional condition examples. The tactile experience of holding these coins, studying their details, and learning their stories creates a special bond with the past. Local coin clubs, online communities, and educational resources make it easy for anyone to get involved and grow their knowledge. Proper preservation is essential for maintaining a coin's beauty and value over time. Serious collectors use inert holders, capsules, and albums designed specifically for coin protection. They handle coins only by the edges to avoid fingerprints and marks. Controlling temperature and humidity helps prevent damage and unwanted toning. Regular inspection allows early detection of any issues. When cared for correctly, coins like this 1984 Kennedy half-dollar can remain in outstanding condition for decades or even centuries. The impressive preservation of the record-breaking example shows what dedicated stewardship can achieve. Responsible collectors understand they are caretakers of history, ensuring these artifacts survive for future generations to study and enjoy. The market for rare and high-quality coins has shown strong interest in recent years. More people are discovering the fascinating world of numismatics through online resources, videos, and auctions. Technology has made research easier and connected collectors across the globe. This 1984 Kennedy half-dollar's journey from the Denver Mint to a record auction price of $63,516,218 perfectly illustrates the exciting possibilities within the hobby. Such landmark sales often inspire new collectors to learn more and participate actively. They also remind experienced collectors why they continue searching for exceptional pieces. Every coin has its own story, and this 1984 example now holds an important place in numismatic history. Its record auction performance has become a benchmark that collectors will reference for years to come. The event brought positive attention to the Kennedy half-dollar series and encouraged renewed appreciation for American coins from the 1980s. Whether you own a few pieces or are just starting, coins like this one demonstrate the potential and beauty present in everyday currency if you know what to look for. The combination of historical significance, artistic design, and exceptional condition creates lasting appeal across different generations of collectors. As we wrap up this detailed look at the 1984 Kennedy half-dollar, It is clear why this coin continues to fascinate so many people. From its elegant obverse portrait and symbolic reverse design, to its remarkable journey and auction achievement of $63,516,218. It represents the very best of American numismatics. These coins are far more than simple currency. They are miniature pieces of history, art, and national pride. If you have Kennedy half dollars in your collection, take time to examine them closely. You might be surprised by what you find. The world of coin collecting is full of stories waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching this complete exploration from beginning to end. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible 1984 coin, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with fellow collectors, and subscribe for more engaging content about rare coins and numismatic treasures. Let me know in the comments what surprised you most, or which coin you would like to see featured next. Your support helps us create more quality videos for the community. Keep collecting, stay curious, and remember, history is literally in your hands. Until next time, happy hunting and take care.